Hello everyone, welcome to Chill Chapters. Today, we will talk about The Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer. Let's begin. The Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer is a collection of stories told by a group of pilgrims who are traveling together from London to the shrine of St. Thomas Becket in Canterbury. The pilgrims come from many different social classes and jobs, such as a brave knight, a hard-working miller, and a lively wife Pat. To make the journey more interesting, they decide to tell the stories to teach other along the way. Each story reflects the personality, ideas, and experiences of the person who tells it. The tales talk about many things in life, including love, honesty, greed, trickery, and human behavior. Some stories are funny, some are serious, and some give moral lessons. Through these stories, Chaucer shows what life was like in medieval England, how people acted, and the differences between social classes. The work also shows how stories can entertain people, teach lessons, and help us understand human nature and the world around us. And here's the analysis. The Canterbury Tales by Geoffrey Chaucer is a work that explores human nature, society, and the variety of people and experiences in medieval England. Through the stories told by the pilgrims, Chaucer shows both the good and bad qualities of people, including honesty, kindness, greed, selfishness, and cleverness. Each pilgrim's tale reflects their personality and social position, highlighting differences between classes and the roles of men and women in society. The work also emphasizes the power of storytelling, showing how our stories can entertain, teach moral lessons, and reveal truths about human behavior. Chaucer uses humor, irony, and vivid descriptions to make the character and their stories come alive. Overall, the Canterbury Tales is a reflection on life, human behavior, and society, showing that people are complex and that stories are a way to understand and connect with one another.